Hello everybody, got a Husqvarna YTH24V54 inch deck riding mower here, and the tire came off here. The little clip that holds them on actually broke, so we had to order a new clip, and it's a genuine Husqvarna part, and you can go to the Husqvarna.com pretty much and get them, and it's part number 812000029, and it's a ring clip. Some people call them an E-clip too. You can look up either name and should be able to find it. But I wanted to show you how to put these on. It's real simple, very basic. Here's what it should look like. And these axles on this here model is actually a 3/4 inch. And all you really need to take them off with, if it's not broke, is a straight screwdriver. You can kind of go up under them and pry them off, like up in here. To put them on, you should be able to do it with a pair of pliers like this, or needle nose. And there's a groove around here on the axle where it goes at. Just put it like that. Should be able to squeeze it down on there. Like that. And that's all there is to it. Slide your little rubber boot back up on it. And that's all there is to holding these tires on. There's not much to it really. On the back, it's pretty much the same thing, same little clip, and some of them actually have a bolt in them, so you may have to take the bolt out or replace it. But that's all there is to putting an E-clip back on your front tire. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below. Thanks, and have a good day. Bye.